having been spoilt with the snorkeling in Pemuteran, Lavina and in Lombok and the Gillies, we've now arrived in Amed and we're hoping that it lives up to what we've seen already. A little spoiler here because we did spot a turtle, which is fab. Just arrived at the Uya Hotel. Nice big open area. And this might be our room, number 9, but Jan's just asked if there's one further down nearer the beach, so we'll see whether that works. He's just run off to have a look for us. So Jan's request worked, and I'll give her 6 points because we got from room 9 to room 15, so plus 6. Almost at the front, yeah. If you have a look, that's our view now from our balcony and from the window. So you can see the boats. And we're right next to the little pool, or the big pool, and there's a little pool further back. And yeah, as you can see, all the usual stuff. The only thing this one doesn't have, and we did know it wasn't going to, was tea and coffee facilities.
I was going to ask him, but then I thought I've already made him change rooms, so I don't really think I can do that. So.
Yeah, funny shapes there, funny little bathroom. But yeah, got everything we need. Just need the sun now, because it's been very wet today. We've made it out the room at last. We have had breakfast, but it's 10:10 in Amed. We've hired a scoopy, or a scoop, because the Y's fallen off. And we're just going to head along a few spots along the coast to see what the snorkeling's like before the rain. Shout if you see petrol. Probably just here. Maybe? Yeah. Just one bottle, please. How much is one?
20.
Oh dear!
Yeah, I don't know where you
All out as usual. Chaos. This is stop number 1, snorkeling area, Japanese Shipwreck. We've gone just past where the first signs for it were as you come from central Amed, because Jan had read if you stop where the first sign is you get charged for parking, so we've come a little bit beyond and just parked outside the Nalini resort, and you've got this nice little walkway down to the beach and free parking. Well, we think. Not the easiest to walk in on these big stones, but I'm assuming where all the people are in there is where the shipwreck is.
This is where you see me fall down.
So the white marker there is where the shipwreck is. So Jan's just swinging back towards it. There's a little bit of fish just jumped. There's a little bit of remains. Oh, lots of fish. Well, someone's chasing them. Or what? Anyway, there's a fair bit of the ship being saved. Obviously, well and truly covered in coral and lots of fish around it. Apparently, the only reason they think it's Japanese, there's no proof really, is that allegedly the toilet that someone saw that was on the ship was the sort of toilet they used in Japan. So, there you go, that's why it's called Japanese Shrimp. And we'll find out in a minute what it was that was making stuff jump out, if Jan spotted it. Might be a little reef shark. We're still excited enough for it to be that. We did see a turtle as soon as we went in. Another day, another trip out to go snorkeling. This is about as downtown Amed as you get. It's just really one road with hotels, cafes, lots and lots of dive schools, and that's pretty much it. Big diving area. Lots of divers. Jan trying to suss out where the turtles are. Where's the turtles?
Don't know, that way. Snorkeling spot number 3 in Amed with the underwater altar stroke temple, which
was okay, but the fish around it were pretty impressive and just swarmed all around you, so that was quite cool. I suspect they were probably fed by one of the many boats that's come to deposit snorkelers here, but it was still pretty cool having them all around you. But yeah, not much else, not as good as the other spots for general snorkeling. Didn't see any turtles, reef sharks or squiddy octopusy things. So a few fish, but not as many as the other spots. So generally the other spot's better, I think.
Nice temple.
Where?
Pagoda, under the water. But there were tall bits under the sea. You can see why they called it pyramids, like shafts of coral. So yeah, really good. I like it.
Okay. I gave my opinion before as I was coming out. Still, people can hear the different opinions. This is the bit just down from our hotel. Lots of the little boats. Noisy place next door, which is a bit of a dive centre. And literally 20 paces and we're on the beach. And Dan's decided to give snorkeling here a go, see if there's anything to see. Nice quiet spot. No one else about. But whether that's because there's nothing to see or just because there's not many hotels at this little bit. Looks like there might be a little restaurant a bit further that way. I'll go and have a look in a minute.